KWIKOT ATW heat pump LinkWarm series, and monitor the operating temperature through multi-touch sensors, large screen display, and one system for all comfort needs: heating, cooling, domestic hot water. New Eco Homes solution. Safety performance. Operates reliably in scorching heat of 50 C and freezing cold of 31 C. Choose from 2 indoor unit options for your specific needs. Auto heat to raise temp and kill harmful bacteria. There are more options to choose from.